Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize data screens on GARMIN Forerunner 70. Okay, from the watch face, first we need to click the start button, the one on the top right corner. Now select the activity that you want. For example, I'll go to activities and I'll pick run. It's up to you which one you'll select. Then scroll down a little bit until you find run settings. Then tap on that and go straight to data screens. In here, if you click the start stop button, you can change the layout, the data fields, reorder the things, or completely remove the data screen. As you can see, for the run we have three screens. We can edit each screen by clicking start stop button, and also you can add, for example, a new one, for example the heart rate zone gauge, and then you'll be able to add it. It has appeared, as you can see. And now if you want to apply the changes, scroll down, hit on done, and now it has been successfully added. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.